Welcome to OTAN, your Outreach and Technical Assistance Network.
Our presentation is on one of OTAN's free Moodle courses, OTAN Developmental Math. My name is Debbie Jensen. I teach adult basic education in Southern California. I have worked with the developmental math course from years ago when we beta tested it to the addition of the EdReady program a few years back. This presentation is in two parts. Part 1, we will look at a few ideas for how to use the course. I'll look at the different parts of developmental math and delve into the course. Part 2, we will look especially at reinforcement and quizzes and then tell you how to get your free copy. With NROC's goal to increase the number of students prepared for college or career, their focus audience includes high school students or college students who struggle with math, students preparing to enroll in college, flipped or blended classes, lab classes, tutoring centers, or standalone or supplemental programs. Developmental math presents material sufficient for several courses, including arithmetic or basic math, beginning algebra, and intermediate algebra. There are 19 units with 97 topics included in the course. Each lesson includes the objectives, topics, a tutor simulation, team project, and unit quiz. Through research into how students learn best, NROC has included lots of multimedia materials. Students start with a warm-up to see if they're prepared to take that topic. They then work through the presentation, worked examples, topic text, and practice problems. Then they take the review to test if they understand this topic. When you introduce your students to the course, be sure to include the Help button at the top right. The student is walked through how to navigate through the course, what each section does, how to use the play-pause control bar, and how to read along with the presenter by clicking on closed caption. Students learn how to monitor where they are in the practice or review, and how to use the topic text and glossary, both of which are available in Spanish and English. As you move through the course, click on the house in the upper left to move back to home. Now let's look at the warm-up section. It asks questions from previous topics to see if the student has mastery and is prepared to start the new topic. If there are concepts the student still needs to study, a list is provided. The presentation section discusses how this math topic applies to real life. The student sees what is discussed graphically. Worked examples are taken from Khan Academy. Remind your students they can watch, stop, and re-watch the videos. Closed caption is available so they can read the text. The topic text provides another way to learn the concept. As students read, questions will be asked. Students check answers as they go. There may be interactive graphs and examples in highlighted green boxes. The topic text is in English and in Spanish. The next section, Practice, offers problems for the students to perform. If they get a problem wrong, they're given feedback and can try again. If the students still have problems, they're given an easier version. Then the problems move up in difficulty. When finished, a list of concepts to study before continuing is given. When problems are incorrect, solutions are worked out and students can print the example for more study. Let's look ahead to Part 2. We'll take a look at the review and reinforcement activities as well as the unit quizzes. We'll look at additional features in the course and show you how to get your own copy of the free course.
Thank you. And as a reminder, OTAN supports California adult education agencies who are integrating, improving, and maintaining technology use in the classroom. Always stay informed by visiting the OTAN website at www.otan.us, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.